Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make beef steaks. So the first step is to get the meat. Yeah, all kinds of steaks will do. So we need to place them into a glass dish or a casserole and then begin to marinate. We will need balsamic vinegar around 2 tablespoons. Then some soya sauce, around 4 tablespoons or 1/3 of a cup. Then it's time for olive oil. We need around 8 tablespoons, or it's half a cup of olive oil, but I personally prefer to use the spoon. So that's it, now it really escalates. We need 2 heads of garlic and 1 onion finely chopped, or you could simply use a blender. Add it all to the marinade. Then we need juice from 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of mustard. Now it's time for herbs and spices: basil, thyme, and oregano. Some paprika and garlic powder, and of course the 7 spices. Now we need to mix it all together. You could use a Ziploc bag or simply use hands. We can add some more olive oil and then pierce the meat with a fork like that for extra tenderness. Then we just cover it with cling film and refrigerate the meat for around 8 hours or overnight. Now before you start frying, bring the meat to room temperature, put a pan on full heat, put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When it's hot enough, put the steaks in, then fry them for 55 seconds. Flip the steaks over and fry for another minute or so. Lower the heat, sprinkle the meat with salt and black pepper. Put tiny slices of butter on the steaks to achieve the juicy flavor. For an extra rich taste, get some fresh rosemary, assemble it near the meat. Cover the frying pan and keep it on low fire for 3-4 minutes. Then turn the steaks to another side and fry on high fire for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then put the steaks on the plate, cover with aluminum foil and let them rest to achieve this kind of tenderness. Then simply fry the rest of the steaks, so it's 1 minute on each side. Then salt and pepper, then it's rosemary and butter, then it's simmering, and then it's frying on full heat. Of course we can pierce the thicker steaks with a knife and pour liquid on them so they won't dry up. And that's it, you get this amazing beef steaks, and that marinade is now a great sauce. And what I love doing is cutting these beef steaks into pieces that resemble shawarma and eating it the Lebanese way with fries and hummus.